how to allow and turn on sound effects on your Twitter. So in this video guys, I will tell you how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first, as you know, you have to open your Twitter. Then you should come directly and open your settings here. And then you have to click on accessibility, display and languages. So here go to display and we'll find here sound effects and click turn on. And that's it guys in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like it, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.